Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I will share to you the 8 ways how to keep your jewelry safe during your travel. So, viral ngayon sa Pilipinas, fresh from Ninoy Aquino International Airport yung case po ng isang female passenger na nawalan po ng isang jewelry box that worth around 500,000 pesos. Na-recover na ito guys at nasauli na po dito sa passenger. And the passenger decided not to file case against anyone. Pero nakakalungkot po isipin kung paano po yung action na ginawa ng mga airlines crew member po. For ordinary passenger na hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, then you already lost your 500 worth of jewelry. So, yung iingatan natin guys once we are traveling from the Philippines. So, isi-share ko sa inyo guys how to keep your jewelries safe. Kasi ayaw ko po ito mangyari sa inyo and we should be aware that the main responsibility po is nasa atin as a traveler, as a passenger, and as the owner of these jewelries. Number 1 tip, always keep your jewelry, especially valuable pieces, in your carry-on luggage or personal item. So guys, dapat meron kayong bag na lagi nyong dala-dala and nandun po nakalagay ang inyong mga jewelries. And this bag should be intact to your bodies. So nagkakamali tayo kasi guys that most of the passengers, ang mga dala-dala nilang bag sa airport are not totally safe. Yung easy to drop off na mga bags na hindi man lang po humahapit sa katawan. Avoid placing your jewelries in check-in luggage. And itong mga check-in luggage, guys, they are subject for scanning. And kapag na-scan po that inside there are suspected na any metals inside there, pwede pong buksan ng custom or any airport security ang luggage po ninyo without your presence. So, hahanapin nila kung ano po yung nandun sa loob ng luggage po ninyo. Kapag nakita nila na jewelries yung nasa loob or any valuable items, then it your loss already. Sa mga carry-on luggage, I would recommend that you use this kind of bag. So, intact po ito sa katawan po ninyo. So, hindi siya basta na lang nare-reef off o kaya nawawala sa katawan unless ikaw po mismo ang maghubad ng bag na to sa sarili mong katawan. Number 2, minimize bulk. So, wag mo masyadong kakapalan yung pagbabalot mo ng mga jewelry. So, ang mga jewelries, guys, so far, mga maliliit lang naman yan eh. So, nagiging bulk siya or lumalaki siya dahil sa mga wrong case na ginagamit natin or yung mga wrong na jewelry box na ginagamit natin. For example, this kind of jewelry box, napaka-bulky po ito and not recommended for traveling. So, halatang halata po na talagang jewelry ang nasa loob. And this one also will take so much space po sa luggage po ninyo. So, I would recommend to use this kind of jewelry bag na hindi po siya masyadong bulky. So, it is made of cloth po and may mga bulsa din yan where you can put all your jewelries. Hindi siya guys bulky. So, walang masyadong makakalata if this one is a jewelry box or not. Para lang siyang ordinary na wallet na made of cloth. And number 3 is about the security scanning. So, lahat tayo guys dumadaan po sa security. So, they are scanning our body and all this stuff na dala-dala po natin. And pagdating po sa mga jewelries, kung hindi naman po siya visible sa mata na may dala-dala kang jewelries inside of your carry-on bag, huwag mo na pong tatanggalin yung inyo pong mga jewelry box or jewelry wallet sa loob po ng bag ninyo. So, let them there inside. Yung ginagawa kasi guys ng lahat, they are taking it out and nilalagay po sa separate bag. And dahil sa dagsa po ng mga iba pang mga pasahero, kasi pag nandyan ka guys, you need to hurry up. Kasi ang daming sumusunod sa'yo sa likod. So, sa dami mong tray na ginamit, one tray for your carry-on bag, one tray for your laptop, for your phone, for your belt, and another tray for different stuff that you have for your jacket. And kapag ikaw ay nataranta na, kasi hubarin mo yan, tapos susuotin mo ulit, then you will forget your jewelry box. And dyan na po nagkakawalaan ng mga gamit. So some of them, they forgot that they take out their MacBook or laptop and they put in the separate tray. Some of them forgot their phone, forgot their watches, or anything, any gadget, guys. So para ma-minimize natin yung gantong pangyayari, then i-maximize nyo po yung paggamit ng tray. So, di baling isang tray and all your belongings are there. And take note, guys, that if you have your jewelries, kung sakaling pinalabas siya ng security kasi pabubuksan yung bag mo. So, don't let the security open your bag without your presence. So, dapat ikaw ang magbubukas and wait until matapos po yung inspection. So, tutok dapat yung mata mo dyan. Baka masalisihan ka, mawalan ka ng isang hikaw, mawalan ka ng isang kwintas. Number 4 tip ko po sa inyo, if possible naman, then wear your jewelry. So, isuot nyo na lang, guys, yung mga jewelries po ninyo and nothing will happen to those jewelries unless na lang ay sadya talagang mawala sa ano nyo, sa tenga nyo, sa leeg po ninyo. It's better to wear your jewelries than to put it in your luggage. Kasi guys, kapag suot-suot mo yung jewelries mo, they are not subject for any scanning and then for any declaration na meron kang kantong halaga ng jewelries. Kasi nga, pag personal use, it is safe to wear anytime and anywhere po sa airport. So, kung may gold kang hikaw, then wear it during your flight. Number 5, if you are worried na baka mawala, baka manakaw, then don't bring your most expensive jewelry. So, you can bring fake jewelries abroad, guys, for picture taking or for any fashion. Then, bumili na lang po kayo ng mga fake and yan yung dalhin ninyo if it is just for fashion. Kung hindi pa naman kayo mag-move out from that country. Hindi ko din guys maintindihan sa ibang pasahero na they will be in other country just for tourism pero dala-dala po lahat ng mga jewelries nila kasi hindi daw din po safe sa kanilang bahay. Then, kung hindi safe sa bahay nyo guys, mas lalong hindi safe sa airport at sa bansa na pupuntahan po ninyo. Remember, if you will be in other country as a tourist, mostly po nasa labas ka ng hotel or ng accommodation mo to explore everywhere. So, mas lalo pong hindi siya safe to bring. Number 6, guys, how to keep your jewelries safe is to be aware about the custom guidelines. So some other countries, they want that all jewelries that you bring, you need to declare. Kaya naman, meron silang mga maximum cost of jewelries na pwede mo lang idala sa bansa nila and pa nag-exceed yung cost ng jewelries na dala-dala po ninyo, you need to declare them, otherwise you need to pay tax or the security, the custom will going to take it from you. So, mas masakit yun guys, na hindi mo pala alam na bawal magdala ng gantong bulk of jewelry sa isang bansa, nagdala ka, and hindi mo siya dineclare, you don't have any papers, then the security will question you kung saan mo nakuha yung mga jewelries na yun. Pag-iisipan ka nila ng masama na baka ninakaw mo. And most of the victims of this situation ay yung mga OFW po. Ugali po nila bumili ng napakaraming mga gold abroad. They want to bring all of them sa Pilipinas during their vacation and pabalik po ng ibang bansa ulit, which is hindi po recommendable. And number 7, don't tell to anyone that you have jewelries in your bag. So, some passenger guys na overshare sila. So, may mga crew po talaga na they are too friendly para pagkatiwalaan natin, para makapagkwentuhan sa atin. But guys, never tell what you have. Because guys, we don't know if they have connection to other crew members. So pag sinabi mong, I have jewelries in my bag, napakadali po makipag-communicate sa kanilang mga connection. Like, this passenger here, passenger blah blah blah, have jewelries in her bag. So make sure to scan her luggage and we have opportunity to take some of the jewelries from her. And number 8, never leave your belongings unattended. Kasi guys, as an owner, that is our responsibility na bantayan po kung ano yung mga gamit natin. So, kapag may naiiwan tayo, hindi po yan kasalanan ng crew. Ang naging kasalanan ng crew guys kasi they found it pero hindi po nila sinurrender agad sa lost and found. So pinagpasapasahan po nila, yung ibang crew ay sinukat-sukat pa yung mga jewelries. And be careful po sa pag-open and pag-close ng ating mga bag. So yung ibang pasahero, they are not totally careful. So marami ako guys na obserbaran, ayan sa airport during traveler, may mga bag na they let it open. Kasi pagdating sa immigration, para madali nilang makuha yung mga documents nila, yung mga cellphone nila, ganon. So, hinayaan nilang nakabukas. And they don't know, guys, na in just wrong move, pwedeng mahulog yung wallet, pwedeng mahulog yung cellphone, yung jewelry bags po ninyo, pwede yan mahulog na ikaw naman talaga ang may kasalanan. Tapos, mapupunta sa iba yung kasalanan kasi siya po yung nakapulot. So, guys, be careful. So, sabi ko nga, yung mga carry-on bag natin, dapat we don't look po sa fashion. Dapat doon tayo sa usage po ng mga bag. And additional tips for you, photograph your jewelries. So, mag-take po kayo ng picture ng mga jewelries po ninyo. But never share to anyone and to your social media until po makarating ka sa destination country mo na nandun pa rin yung jewelries mo sa bag mo. Before your trip, take pictures of your jewelries for insurance purposes. And of course, guys, in case na mawala siya or got stolen, you have your picture na pwede mong gamitin to identify what kind of jewelries yung nawawala sa'yo. Because if you don't have, napakahirap po mag-explain that my jewelries look like this, the color is like this, the design is like and the design is like this. So, kapag may photo ka, madali. Ensure your jewelry case has a secure closure. So, dapat pipiliin mo guys yung case na secured talaga yung zipper niya. Meron guys na jewelry box na andali niya guys ma-open kasi magnet siya. So, I don't recommend to use jewelry box na magnetic. Ayan, always choose yung naka-zipper. Ayan, mas safe po yung closure ng naka-zipper na jewelry box. If talagang napakamahal ng jewelries po ninyo, before you travel, magbasa kayo ng insurance policy ng inyong mga jewelries. What are the costs na i-cover ng company in case mawala yung jewelry po ninyo? Yes, some jewelries po, they have insurance or insured po sila. So, this jewelries mostly cost millions. Before you travel, guys, if you have this jewelries na pangmayaman, then read the insurance para alam ninyo, in case mawala, ano yung iti-take over ng company. So, I feed you up with many information. And sa mga subscriber ko na nag-request po ng video na to, guys, I hope mapanood po ninyo. And if you have any inquiries about your travel, then email me in this email address or follow my Facebook page. And guys, if you need visa assistance or immigration assistance, then you can talk to me. Guys, thank you so much and see you in my next vlog.